Hello everyone, welcome to my channel nederlands leren. Today we are going to learn zullen and zouden. The meaning of zullen and the meaning of zouden. How we can use the zouden and zullen in the Dutch language if we want to make the sentence. In the normal daily life, if you want to use the zullen in present tense, we have to use zullen, especially for future. And zouden is the past tense of the zullen. So, zouden, the meaning of zouden is would. And the meaning of the zullen is willen, of will. Yes, zouden is would, zullen is will. There are some simple examples and basic examples for zullen and zouden. Let's look at together. We zullen straks naar het strand gaan. Gaan is our verb and zullen is helping verb. The meaning of zullen is will. So, we zullen straks naar het strand gaan. The meaning of that is we will soon go to the beach. Let's look at again. We zullen straks naar het strand gaan. We will soon go to the beach in English. That's the zullen for future tense. But if we want to make a sentence for past tense, we have to use zouden instead of zullen. So, the example of zouden is for the next page is that we zouden straks naar het strand gaan. Wij zouden naar het strand gaan. The meaning of we zouden naar het strand gaan is we would go to the beach. We would go to the beach is the meaning of in English for we zouden naar het strand gaan. Let's look at another example of the zal of zullen of zouden in Dutch. Ik zal het boek kopen. Ik zal het boek kopen. I will buy the book. Zal means will. I will buy the book. Ik zal het boek kopen. Ik zou het boek kopen is the past tense of the ik zal het boek kopen. So, the meaning of in English ik zou het boek kopen is that I would buy this book or I would buy the book. Ik zou het boek kopen. I would buy the book. Another example. Ik zal naar Arnhem gaan. Ik zal naar Arnhem gaan. In English, I will go to Arnhem. Ik zal naar Arnhem gaan. I'll go to Arnhem. For past tense, ik zou naar Arnhem gaan. Ik zou naar Arnhem gaan. Means I would go to Arnhem. I would go to Arnhem. Ik zou naar Arnhem gaan. Je zult naar Arnhem gaan. Je zult naar Arnhem gaan. We have to use zullen for future tense if we want to do something in future in Dutch. But in English, we are going to use will. That's why you will go to Arnhem. The meaning of the je zult naar Arnhem gaan in English. For past tense, je zou naar Arnhem gaan. Meaning of that is you would go to Arnhem. You would go to Arnhem. Je zou naar Arnhem gaan. Hij zal naar Arnhem gaan. Hij zal naar Arnhem gaan. He will go to Arnhem. He will go to Arnhem. Hij zal naar Arnhem gaan. He wants to go to the Arnhem in the future, so that he will go to Arnhem. He wanted to go to the Arnhem. So hij zou naar Arnhem gaan. He would go to Arnhem. He would go to Arnhem. Hij zou naar Arnhem gaan. Yeah, friends. I think that you understand the meaning of the zullen and zouden in Dutch. Jullie zullen naar Arnhem gaan. You will go to Arnhem. Jullie zullen naar Arnhem gaan. You will go to Arnhem. So for past tense, jullie zouden naar Arnhem gaan. Jullie zouden naar Arnhem gaan. You would go to Arnhem. You would go to Arnhem. The last example for zullen and zouden. Ik zou het boek kopen. I would this book buy, or I would buy this book. Yeah, friends, thank you very much for your watching this video. For next video, please don't forget to support me, to like or to subscribe this channel. See you later. Tot ziens.